Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 model Volkswagen Polo TSI Comfortline, stock reference number 4884. This shape runs from the 5th month 2010 through to the 5th month 2014. It has a CBZB 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. CBZB 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine with the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light does have a very light scratch. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy right tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a cloth centre console lid, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.